Are you tired of typing out long sentences on your iPhone? Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to set up and use predictive text on your iPhone. To enable predictive text, access the Settings app on your iPhone. Select the General menu. Scroll and choose Keyboards. Scroll down and enable predictive text and show predictions inline. And you're good to go. What if you want to disable predictive text on your iPhone? In iMessage, touch and hold the smile emoji on bottom left corner. Tap Keyboard Settings. From this window, toggle off predictive text. With predictive text enabled, here's how you can use it to your advantage. If you want to write, hey, you can just type H and it will predict it for you. Just tap on it. If you want to reject the suggestions, continue typing or tap your original word. This way you can easily write what you want with some help. Let's talk about how to enable or disable autocorrect on your iPhone. Launch the Settings app. Select the General menu. Scroll and choose the Keyboard option. Enable the autocorrection option. That's it. You're all set. But what if autocorrect changes a word you didn't want it to? Start typing, and it will autocorrect the word for you. Tap on the corrected word, which will be underlined. A pop-up menu will appear. Select the word you had originally intended to type. Now, let's talk about text shortcuts. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on the keyboard. From here, select Text Replacement. Tap on the plus icon to add a new text replacement. Enter the phrase you want to expand and the shortcut that triggers it. Let's say right now. For the shortcut, write RN. Hit Save. And if you need to make changes to your text replacements or delete old ones, here is how. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on the keyboard. Select Text Replacement. Tap the Edit option from the bottom left corner. Hit the minus icon. Select Delete to remove the respective text replacement. You are all set.